It's a little bit spooky, but that makes this island so very special. The spectacular historic city of Visby seems to have been frozen in time. If you go there, you will see the streets. They're all made of cobblestones. They are narrow and crooked, and the houses are just enchanting. That makes it a perfect setting for the Middle Ages to be brought back to life. And that is exactly what happened every summer during Gotland's most popular week, the Medieval Festival Week. The menu for today's program includes 2 delicious salads. Finally, since it's summer, I will have a nice barbecue in the garden. Here I'm standing 50 meters above the ocean. I really don't want to look down because you know that weird urge can just sneak up on you when you least expect it. I'm going to make 2 types of salad. One with all these authentic ingredients from this island, Gotland, and the other one is more an Asian style salad. Take a serving plate, fresh spinach, and this is head salad. I'm going to use this berry, which is a dewberry, and it's very special for this island. I have never tasted it, so this is the first time even for me. Tastes like blueberries, but it looks like a blue raspberry. Look, I know you can find those in the States, but here in Sweden, it's only Gotland where you can pick them. Buckwheat. It is a herb from Asia and it's just loaded with a lot of fiber, iron and protein, so it's very good for you. It's very crunchy. And if you can't buy this buckwheat, you can just buy hazelnuts, roast them and then crush them and then just add them to your salad. Raisins. And this cheese made of sheep's milk, and it has a very creamy taste. It's very mellow and smooth and I just love it. Some spring onion. It's lovely. And now I'm going to make just nothing fancy, a very plain Jane vinaigrette with ordinary olive oil, vinegar, salt and pepper and some honey. So I take olive oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, vinegar, salt and pepper. Taste it. Perfect. We just drizzle it over the salad and we're done. There's something that I have forgot, and that is the fresh bread. So just wait. This is a very important ingredient that I just forgot. I don't know why. I like fresh bread in salads because it's so nice when they soak up the vinaigrette. So I take the fresh bread and just slice it into nice cubes. We toss the salad just a little bit. There we are. A salad with mixed greens, fresh bread, buckwheat, raisins, and some very mellow and smooth cheese made of sheep's milk. Very nice. Bon appetit. So from Gotland to Asia, that's a big step. But my second salad, I'm going to make a sashimi. You know, it's a special way the Japanese prepare the fish. I'm going to use this wild salmon, and as you can see, the color is very, very light. This is caught out here in the Baltic Sea, and if you compare this salmon to an ordinary one, you will notice a difference in color. This is pale and the farm raised is very, very orange. I'm going to start to cut the wild salmon into nice chunks. And now, for those of you who just want to switch off the TV because you don't like raw fish, don't. It isn't raw, it's cooked. Soy sauce, which is very salt, and juice and zest from lime causes a chemical reaction. Okay, so my mixture with the soy sauce, zest and juice from 2 limes, honey, and garlic. And whisk it together. And pour it over the salmon. Okay, so we toss them around and then we leave them to sit for 20-30 minutes. And you know that this is TV and we don't have the time. 20 minutes, that will be a very boring show. So I have prepared another one. And this is the result, 20 minutes later. To the salmon, I will make a coleslaw made of cabbage, of course, and a mayonnaise. Some fresh coriander, fresh dill, mayonnaise that we just season up with some fresh grated ginger. Salt and black pepper. Taste it. Need some more salt. I just want the mayonnaise to cling to the cabbage, so I don't need so much. We start with just 3 tablespoons. We toss it together. Okay. Around 4 or 5 chunks of salmon per person. We drizzle the sauce over the plate, not so much. And then we top the coleslaw in the middle on the salmon. And here you have to use your hands. So here we have sashimi of the salmon from the Baltic Sea, a coleslaw that I have seasoned with some ginger, and then we have some fresh dill and coriander. This is where I'm going to eat my lunch. It's okay, isn't it? I have invited a special guest.
Hallå!
Hello there.
Välkommen!
Tackar.
Har det gått bra?
Ja.
It's a perfect day now.